Okay, before we go into a circle, you also need to understand how the three planes work when seen in isometry. So we already know how they look in orthography. So for example, if I was to recreate the shape, any shape, but we are, let's say, looking at it from the third angle of projection, you will have a top view, you will have a front view, and you will have a side view. But as mentioned to you earlier stages as well, you are still seeing the faces of your product. So 2D face, 2D face, 2D face. However, as soon as you are looking at the three planes, but in isometry, what will happen is that the same thing will be shown like this. So we're going to make the top view, but we are going to make the top view like that. So anything that you're seeing, if this was the base, then that is how you're going to look at a top view. So what will happen when we have to look at a side view? Now, side view means, unless specified, this is the side view, which means to look from here, I will need to make a plane which will come over and that's actually hidden. This one won't be hidden, so let's make it like a proper line, and this will be here. So that's a side view for you. Okay, so we made the top view, which was in pink. We've made the green one, which is the side view, and now left is always the front view, and for that we will use a different color sketch pen, which is not working sadly, so we will have to use something that probably is. So we have this, we have a center point here, we have a center point over there, which means this will extend. So that's how your front view will look. So if you take a piece of paper or three pieces of paper and you interlock them as half cut joints, you will notice that one piece of paper will create a square over here. That shape is going to be for the front view. The one in green is going to share the side view for you. And if looked from the top, then you will see this square. So this is how the three planes sit together in isometric. Now looking at this, we will move forward.